Good morning, class.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So I wish you all are well. So today in science our topic is
Cell
cell.
structure.
Cell. About the cell, cells structure and functions. Cell. It is the cell. What is the definition of cell? Do you know about cell? What is cell? How shall I stand up? What is the cell? Simple definition. What do you mean by cell? Very small definition you can say. In short. That is a long definition. Sit down. So what is cell? Cell is the smallest unit of living being. Yeah, living organism. कोशिका लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म का सबसे छोटा यूनिट होता है, सबसे छोटा. एंड इन हिंदी कोशिका. ओके, तो वी आर लिविंग बीइंग. तो व्हाट इज आवर स्मॉलेस्ट यूनिट? दैट इज द सेल. एंड स्ट्रक्चर. स्ट्रक्चर मींस बनावट, वो दिखती कैसी है. एंड फंक्शंस, उसके वर्क क्या है. कोशिका का बना उसकी बनावट और उसके फंक्शन. सो वी विल रीड इन दिस चैप्टर. Chapter 8 about the cell. Cell structure and functions. Do you know who discovered the cell first? Who discovered cell? Any idea? Yes, Robert Hooke discovered the cell in 1665. This is GK question also. Robert Hooke, brown note. Robert Hooke discovered the cell in 1665. Yes, okay. So cell is the basic unit, yeah, smallest unit of living being. Like this building. Here also cell basic unit. What is the basic unit of this building? That is the brick. Okay, it is non-living without life. In all living organism, even other animals also and even plants also. Cell is the smallest unit of the body. Okay, which one you said? That is in detailed definition, but short you can say like this. Okay, so I am going to read and you will also read one by one. Today we are going to start chapter, so you must know how to read. Understand? Yes. Structure and functions. You have already learnt that things around us are either living or non-living. Further, you may recall that all living organisms carry out certain basic functions. Can you list these functions? Different sets of organs perform the various functions you have listed. In this chapter, you shall learn about the basic structural unit of an organ, which is the cell. Cells may be compared to bricks. Bricks are assembled to make a building. Similarly, cells are assembled to make the body of every organism. 8.1 topic is discovery of the cell. Robert Hooke in 1665 observed slices of cork under a simple magnifying device. Cork is a part of the bark of a tree. He took thin slices of cork and observed them under a microscope. He noticed partitioned boxes or compartments in the cork slices. Figure 8.1. One figure you are seeing here. So Robert Hooke, he had seen this under a powerful microscope. Okay. So what is written here? Figure 8.1. Cork cells as observed by Robert Hooke. This picture you can see. Okay. Next. These boxes appear like a honeycomb. Are you seeing like a honeycomb? Honey hive also like this, na? Yes, same to same. He also noticed that one box was separated from the other by a wall or partition. Hooke coined the term cell for each box. What Hooke observed as boxes or cells in the cork were actually dead cells. These were the dead cells. Okay. Cells of living organisms could be observed only after the discovery of improved microscopes. Very little was known about the cell for the next 150 years after Robert Hooke's observations. Today, we know a lot about cell structure and its functions because of improved microscopes having high magnification. So now, after me, who will read? Akshara, stand up. Come here. With book. Okay. Here. Already.
You have already learned that things are non-living. Further, you may recall that all living organisms
Loud sound.
carry out certain basic functions. Can you list these functions? Different set of organs perform the various functions you have listed. In this chapter, you shall learn about the basic structural unit of an organ, which is the cell. Cell may be compared to bricks. Bricks are assembled to make a building. Similarly, cells are assembled to make the body of every organism.
Okay, sit down. Okay, slowly you have to read. Don't do hurry. If fastly you will read, how it will come in mind? Whole class can't listen. So one by one you have to read like this. Okay, and today's homework again you will read this chapter, and tomorrow I will explain. Again I want to see your reading. One more time who want to read? Akhilesh also stand up. You can read this one. Discovery of the cell. Discovery of the cell.
8.1 Discovery of the cell. Robert Hooke in 1665 observed slices of cork under a simple magnifying device. Cork is a part of the bark of a tree. He took thin slices of cork and observed them under a microscope. He noticed partitioned boxes or compartments in the cork slice. Figure 8.1. These boxes appeared like a honeycomb. He also noticed that one box was separated from the ones by
the other before the vowel
the other by a wall or
partition.
Who coined
partition full stop also there. Use punctuation.
Who coined the term cell for each box. What Hooke observed as boxes or cells in the cork were actually dead cells. Cells of living organisms could be observed only after the discovery of improved microscopes. Very little was known about the cell for the next 150 years after Robert Hooke's observations. Today we know a lot about cell structure and its function because of improved microscopes having a high magnification.
Okay, very nice. Okay, so you must try more and more for this chapter. Okay, so tomorrow I will explain. So what is the cell? What I said? Cell is the basic unit of living beings. And suppose that this building, what is the basic structural unit of the building?
Bricks.
That is the big brick. So you can compare cell to the brick. आप compare कर सकते हैं brick का cell से या cell का brick से. Like living thing, structural unit is structural and functional unit is the cell. Same in building, that is the brick. And who discovered cell? Robert Hooke. In which year? 1665. What he has seen there? What he had seen?
Cork cells.
Cork means bark of a tree. Tree की जो bark होती है वहाँ से उसने लिया. That is called the cork. And that was the live knot. That was the dead cells he had seen. Okay. So are you happy?
Yes, ma'am.
So whole class will try for reading. Okay. So thank you.